Hello and welcome. This is a great little spot and a nice day to check out this brand new 850mm twin Nova from XFLY. I've assembled it, put it together in about 5 or 6 minutes, only a tiny little plane, and I didn't realise how small it was compared to the 1.4 metre larger twin Nova. This one doesn't have flaps, it just has the regular ailerons and elevators. This aircraft comes with 2 free propellers that they've sent in the box as well. So if you break these, at least you've got 2 to back up, which is great. Inside I've fitted a 620 Spectrum receiver and it has no safe. So I'm hoping that all will level out and it'll be a nice easy flyer. The battery is a zippy 1300 3-cell battery, so that's what's called for in this particular model. And I'm sure we'll have some good flying time with it. Okay, time to get this little baby in the air and see how she goes. Sun's very bright. Still windy out. Trying to keep her in as close as I can. Let's check the battery and see how everything's looking. %, that's pretty good. Happy with that. Tend to bring this a bit more forward. About it. We'll just check the balance again. This is where I've got the markers on it. Hope you can see that. And that's where I will just double check. It seems to be a little nose heavy. So I'll pull this back a bit. See what that's like. Yeah, it's pretty well okay. So that's where the battery's located, just in front of the Velcro to give it that perfect balance. But Today is not a good day for flying. I just wanted to get it up and try it. I don't want to push my luck too much on this windy day. Indeed, some very hair-raising moments today, but that's what RC flying is all about. You have to experiment and test your skills, but at the same time be very sensible in where you fly and how you do it, and you don't crash your plane that way. But anyhow, this little aircraft is a beauty. It's inexpensive, very good quality, as you would expect from XFLY, and I'm going to have some fun flying this at the beach soon, but once that wind drops. In the meantime, you have a wonderful week, and we will see you on the next video with something different. Bye now. Sun when it gets in your eyes and you don't have safe on. Oh boy. Okay, bring it in. There she is.